I knew about this bricklaying course via Melusi Youth Development, which is a community youth development for youth development. Yeah. I have learned a lot of things that are related to things I have done at college already. So I have learned a lot of things that I didn't know before. So far, they have been they have been treating us well as students, and the facilitator knows he knows everything that he's teaching all about us about, and he can use different methods of teaching, such as visual aids and audio methods. Man, it makes me feel very good, because now after getting the certificate, I'll be able to do something at the community. I want to thank PPC for giving me this opportunity to learn the skill, the bricklaying skill.